In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your GoDaddy DNS settings to add a Google MX record. We'll be doing this directly inside your GoDaddy account, and the goal is to make sure your domain's mail routing points to Google properly. This process is simple, but it's important to enter each value carefully, since even a small typo in an MX record can affect email delivery. To begin, sign in to your GoDaddy account. Once you're logged in, go to your domain portfolio, where you'll see the list of domains connected to your account. Find the domain you want to update, and then click DNS next to that domain. This will open the DNS management area, where all of your domain records are stored. Inside the DNS settings, look for the option to add a new record. Click Add New Record, and when prompted to choose a record type, select MX. MX records, or mail exchange records, control where email for your domain is delivered, so this is the correct place to make the change. Now enter the Google MX record exactly as needed. In the host field, type the @ symbol, which represents the root domain. In the points to field, enter smtp google.com. Then set the priority to 1. These values tell GoDaddy that email for your domain should be directed to Google's mail server with the highest priority. Before saving, take a moment to review the entry carefully. Make sure the host is correct, the server address is typed exactly as shown, and the priority is set properly. Accuracy matters here, especially with DNS records. Next, look through the list of existing MX records already attached to the domain. If you see any non-Google MX records, delete them. This is an important cleanup step because leaving old mail records in place can create conflicts and cause email to route unpredictably. You want the Google MX record to be the active one without competing non-Google entries. Once those older non-Google MX records have been removed, save your changes. After saving, keep in mind that DNS updates may not take effect instantly. In some cases, propagation can take a little time, so if mail changes don't appear right away, that's normal. And that's it. You've successfully logged into GoDaddy, opened your domain's DNS settings, added the Google MX record, removed conflicting non-Google MX records, and saved the update.